Hi, superstars. We are on lesson 2-5, model with math. All right. Do you see this bag on this table here? All right, we're going to say there's some cubes in it. Now I'm going to draw some cubes, and these are cubes that are in the bag. So I'm going to draw some blue cubes. Let's say they're inside the bag. And then I'm going to draw some red cubes. All right, so we are going to determine how many cubes we have of each color. So first, let's take out some red cubes and put them on the table. So we're going to remove these red cubes here and put them on the table. So here's a 1, and I'll put a mark on the ones I remove. Here is 2. Let's put 1 more for 3. And it looks like there's 1 more, so I'll put a line through it. And here's 4. I took all the red cubes out. Now I'm going to remove the blue cubes. So I'll take 1. I'm going to compare it. So I'm going to put it right next to the red. There's 1 more. Okay, another one. There's another blue cube and the last blue cube. So we want to determine which group has more. So I have 1 to 1. I'm going to compare them and put a line. 1 to 1. 1 blue cube, 1 red cube, 1 blue cube, 1 red cube, 1 blue, 1 red, 1 blue, 1 red, and now I have an extra blue. So I have more blue cubes. I can count them also and determine which is more. I'm going to get a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 blue cubes. And let's count the red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 red cubes. So by using these cubes, I can see there are more blue than red when I line them up next to each other. So let's circle the number that is greater than the other number. So is 5 greater than 4? Well, it looks like it. Here is the 5 blue cubes. 5 is greater than 4. We're going to circle it. And this is how we model with math. We used cubes so that we could see which number is greater than the other. Let's go to the next page. Let's look at our first box over here. Marta wants to find which group is less. So how do you think she can do this? She can probably compare the number of books and the number of erasers and tell which group is less in number. So how can we use a model? We can use cubes, you can draw a picture, or you can write the numbers. So let's look at this box right here. How does this model use cubes to show the problem? The cubes are made into cube trains. How does this model help you solve the problem? Well, the red cube train is shorter than the purple cube train, so the group of books is less in number than the group of erasers. Let's look over here. How does this model using a drawing to show the problem? There are 2 towers, and the towers are drawn to show the group of books and the group of erasers. How does this model help you solve the problem? The red tower is shorter than the purple tower. So the group of books is less in number than the group of erasers. So let's go to our last box here. So how does this model using numbers help solve the problem? Well, the numbers tell how many are in each group. How can you find the correct answer using this model? We can compare the numbers. 2 is less than 3. And we mark that X over here. It is less. Let's look over here. All right, so Marta again has 5 fish stickers and 2 flamingo stickers. Which group of stickers is less in number than the other group? And how can we use cubes to show how to find the answer? So there's cube trains. You're going to color in the number of cubes to show the numbers of stickers, and then mark an X on the cube train that is less in number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fish. So you're going to color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes. And we have flamingos, 1, 2. So again, we'll color in that number, 1, 2. Which one is less than the other? This one. So we mark an X. All right, let's go on to the next page. Well, we are at our independent practice, and that means you're going to do this on your own. I'm going to read the instructions for you. On number 2, Carlos has 4 yellow blocks and 5 blue blocks. Which group of blocks is greater in number than the other group? How can you use a drawing to show your answer? So you are going to create a drawing to show and explain your answer. So that means you are going to draw using cubes to compare the yellow and the blue blocks. You can draw them side by side and determine which one is greater than and which one is less than the other. Over here, there are red blocks. I'm going to tell you how many, and there are blue blocks. What you're going to do is use numbers to determine which one is greater than the other and which one is less than the other. All right, superstars, you're doing great. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.